Are you looking for the best portable laptop stand? In this video we will look at some of the best portable laptop stand on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. N86 Laptop Stand. The N86 Laptop Stand seems like a versatile and practical accessory for laptop users. With its 360 degrees rotating feature, it offers flexibility to adjust your laptop at various angles, enhancing your viewing experience. The fact that it's portable makes it convenient for users who are always on the go, providing a reliable stand wherever they go. The use of aluminum suggests durability, while the heat dissipation feature is a thoughtful addition, ensuring your laptop stays cool during extended use. Specifically designed for MacBook Air and Pro, it seems like a well-tailored solution for Apple enthusiasts. The folding mechanism adds to its portability, making it a handy tool for those who value both functionality and convenience in their laptop accessories. Number 2. 360 Rotatable Tablet Stand. The 360 Rotatable Tablet Stand is a versatile and convenient accessory designed to enhance your digital experience. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this foldable laptop holder provides a sturdy and reliable support system for devices ranging from 10 to 17.3 inches, including MacBooks and iPads. One of its standout features is the 360-degree rotatable design, allowing you to effortlessly adjust the viewing angle to suit your preferences. This flexibility ensures optimal comfort, whether you're working, watching videos, or engaging in other activities on your tablet or laptop. Number 3. Adjustable Laptop Desk Stand. The adjustable laptop desk stand seems like a versatile and convenient solution for those who work or relax with their laptops in various settings. Its portable and adjustable design makes it suitable for use on the bed, sofa, or even as a TV tray. Constructed with aluminum alloy, it likely offers durability while remaining lightweight. The inclusion of a mouse pad suggests additional functionality for those who prefer using a mouse alongside their laptop. Overall, it sounds like a practical and adaptable accessory for enhancing the laptop usage experience in different environments. Number 4. Foldable Laptop Holder Stand. The foldable laptop holder stand is a versatile accessory designed to enhance your computing experience. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this stand offers a sturdy and reliable support system for laptops ranging from 11 to 17 inches in size. Its 360-degree adjustable design allows you to find the perfect viewing angle, ensuring optimal comfort and reducing strain during extended use. What sets this stand apart is its foldable nature, making it incredibly portable and convenient for on-the-go professionals or anyone who values workspace flexibility. The anti-slip feature ensures that your laptop stays securely in place, and the stand also doubles as a bracket for phones and tablets. Whether you're working, streaming, or video conferencing, this foldable laptop holder stand provides a reliable and adaptable solution to meet your needs. Number 5. Laptop Stand for Desk Foldable MacBook Pro. This laptop stand seems like a nifty accessory for your desk setup. The aluminum construction suggests durability, and the foldable design adds a touch of convenience, making it easy to carry or store when not in use. It's specifically designed for MacBook Pro, offering a dedicated and stable support system. The portable and adjustable nature of the stand makes it versatile, allowing you to find the most comfortable and ergonomic position for your laptop. Whether you're working, streaming, or just browsing, this stand could be a practical addition to enhance your overall computing experience.